In the EXEMPTAX Builder area, in addition to exporting reports, you also have the ability to export exemption documents onto your local device. Once you click the button, you'll be routed to a workflow where you'll have the ability to export certain set of certificates by their status, date range, as well as customer and jurisdiction information. In this particular example, let's go ahead and select Active to only export active and valid certificates. Once we continue, we can then fine-tune whether we want to export certificates based on upload date or effective date depending on business needs. In this case, let's go ahead and select effective date so that we can later filter certificates between desired dates. Before we hit continue, we like to point out that this functionality comes in very handy for exemption certificate audits, as most auditors will likely request a particular set of exemption certificates for certain customers between a particular audit period. Once we hit continue, we'll then be brought to the final step where we can fine-tune our selection based on either a specific customer, jurisdiction, and/or the effective date. In this case, we'll go ahead and leave the selections blank so that we can download all active certificates. Once the selection is made, we can then hit the Generate Export button, which will bring us to a confirmation modal. Once we confirm to generate the export, the documents will begin to be compiled in a zip folder. To download this export, we can then navigate to the Downloads area and click on the particular file. In this case, the certificate export is now available and ready for download. As such, let's go ahead and click Download in the action column to download the certificates. Once the download is complete, you will be able to access the documents inside of a zip file. When you open the zip file, you'll notice that your certificates have been broken out by the respective date and customer name, allowing easy dissemination for audits and other business purposes. Congratulations, you are now finished reviewing exporting certificates using the Builder.